Ready to unravel the clandestine code that professional traders use to seize unseen market opportunities? Picture yourself foreseeing potential reversals and profiting like a seasoned trader. In the next couple of minutes, we'll venture into the enigmatic realm of hidden divergences. We'll illuminate how this remarkable strategy can catapult your trading prowess. Stay tuned, the game is about to change. You, as a trader, are already aware of the myriad of technical analysis tools and indicators at your disposal. But, are you aware of the powerful tool that's been sitting in plain sight, yet unnoticed? Enter hidden divergences, the enigma of the trading world. While regular divergences can signal potential trend reversals, hidden divergences identify trend continuations, offering you a distinct advantage. So what are hidden divergences? Picture a chart where the price makes higher lows, but the indicator, such as RSI or MACD, makes lower lows. This is a hidden bullish divergence, indicating a likely upward trend continuation. Conversely, if the price is making lower highs while the indicator is making higher highs, this is a hidden bearish divergence. This suggests a probable continuation of a downward trend. Now, how to spot these hidden gems? First, identify the underlying trend. Is it bullish or bearish? Then, seek out hidden divergences that align with the trend direction. Remember, hidden bullish divergences occur in uptrends, hidden bearish divergences in downtrends. And don't overlook the importance of multiple timeframes in your analysis. Hidden divergences can be found on daily, weekly, and even intraday charts, giving you a plethora of profitable trading opportunities. There you have it, the secret of hidden divergences, unmasked to enhance your trading strategy. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be well prepared to identify trend continuations, giving you the edge to outsmart the market. If this video has piqued your interest, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest trading strategies and tips. Until next time, happy trading, and may you master the art of hidden divergences.